Marcus Baker, finally. I've gotten so many requests for this haircut, so what I'm going to do is just kind of break down in the back here what I did. So I started off with my nape area, right, creating the length right in through here. And then I really went very aggressive with the freeform cutting. So as you can see, and the key to this haircut is that we're trying to maintain a lot of length up and through the top here, and then have it taper down softly and blending in throughout the sides and the back. So the key to this is when you're cutting the sides, right, you want to establish kind of like a core baseline in through here. And then what I did is I just lightly finessed and sliced and carved in the rest of the length so that we still have the hair going back a little bit, but it still looks nice and neat and tapered. So the length in through here, as you can see, you know, it comes down past this, but this is all coming from the top. But underneath here, what I did is I really just shaped that in and worked it in this way so that it all kind of melts in. And the same thing throughout the other side. This is very unique, this piece in through here, because on the show there's many times where the hair just kind of falls down and it's like, whoa, how is that piece so long into there? Well, it's the same type of philosophy. I created my guideline right into here, my foundation, worked this all back, and I kind of just cut this so that it really flows into the rest of the hair. This is the longest point. So this I have coming down to, you know, almost to like the bottom lip or to the chin area, okay? And then I made sure that this was the highlight point. I wanted everything to be much more tapered in throughout the sides, in through here and the back, but then leaving that length so that, like in the show, when you see it, if you do want to have that length on top, you can. Then I went in with a razor and I took out a lot of the excess bulk in throughout the sides and the back, and that also helps make the hair lay a bit flatter and closer to the head in through here. If your hair is really, really thick, you can use that trick, right? Or have your stylist or barber use that trick to achieve this type of look. And then let's talk about the styling. So of course I went in with my 25 spray, which is the ultimate pre-styler. This is the foundational spray right here. Spray that on first. Then we went in with my #1 seller, Tidal Wave, which is a sea salt spray because it's just enough of that texture and that volume to help support the hairstyle. Blow dried it, and then my crafted styling cream. This is an amazing styling cream. You can use it for blow drying on men and women. You know, if you want to make your hair smooth, this is a really incredible blow dry cream, but it's also great for styling like this. Smells phenomenal. The fragrance is Tom Ford inspired, so it's like unbelievable. And what I did is I worked that in. So it's a great type of product if you want to leave your hair a little bit more on the light side, you want more of a cream type texture in your hair, you want to have that little pliability, then this is a great product for that. If you use code YouTube20, that's YouTube20, you get 20% off, and it's free shipping in the United States. That's YouTube20.